Hi parents. So we have been working with 4 add-ins, and this is going to be a math problem that's going to be students test on Thursday and again on Friday of this week. We were introduced to it on last Friday, and Monday we had a little bit more success with 4 add-ins because we learned a new strategy called totals below. So I'm going to show you how to do totals below. I'm not sure if it's on the homework or not. I'll have to look at it, but it's a great thing to practice with your child, maybe in between, maybe for breakfast, you can give them a problem just like this and they can practice totals below. What we do with totals below is we have it in horizontal form. We're just going to change it and we're going to put it into vertical form. So we have 23, 15, 35, and 18. And students, we kind of learned a procedure to do. And the first thing we're going to do is we have to draw an arrow. We're going to draw an arrow for every single add-in. Our next step is expanded form. We're going to put these into expanded form. So we're just basically separating the tens and the ones. So 2 tens, the value of 2 tens is 20, and the value of 3 ones is just 3 ones. The value of 1 10 is 10 plus 5 ones. 3 tens is 10, 20, 30 plus 5 ones. And then in expanded form for 18, it's 110 plus 8 ones. Then we totals below. When we totals below, we bring down our addition problem. So we're going to add all of these ones together. And 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 8. This is fast for us adults because we know our math facts. And then we just add these ones together. We kind of simplified. So we're adding 8 plus 13. And they might have to draw this part out, or they might be able to do it mentally right away. So we know that that's going to be 21 ones. So once we figured out the ones, we're going to move over to the tens. We're going to add all of the tens together. So we have 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. And now, since I simplified, I'm going to add my 30 plus 40. Well, 30 plus 40 is 7 tens. We can always just look at the tens place, and we can see 3 tens plus 4 tens is 7 tens. Well, the value of 7 tens is 70. So after we draw an arrow, expanded form, totals below, we're going to totals below again. And then we can solve it. And Mrs. Armstrong, myself, I call this easy peasy way, when we don't have to regroup. So 0 plus 2 is just 2. 8 tens plus 1 10. I'm sorry, 7 tens plus 1 tens is 8 tens. Therefore, we found the answer, and the answer is 82. We changed these, put them into vertical form, basically added all of our ones together, and then added all of our tens together, and then combined the tens and the ones to get our total answer. That's a quick way to do totals below.